In this video, I will show you how to set your profile picture to private on Facebook. So let's get started. First open Facebook app on your mobile. Now tap your profile picture or name to go to your profile. Tap your current profile picture and from the options, tap on See Profile Picture. Now on the screen, just tap on three dots located at the top right side. From the options, tap on Edit Privacy. So here you can decide who should see your profile picture and other details like description, likes or comments. You will get the options like public, friends accept, specific friends and only me. So just select the option as only me and then tap on save. Now only you can see your Facebook profile picture and it is hidden from everyone else. So that is how you can set your profile picture to private on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.